Hello and welcome to my channel, It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor and in today's video we are going to be cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom area. So I recently switched my cleaning style back to a way that I used to do before I started doing YouTube videos. And that's where I would just do a quick little tidy up every morning throughout the entire house, but I would only focus on one room for the day. So this just made it easier for me to keep up with tasks and certain rooms would not get out of hand. So like I do clean the kitchen every day, but I may not do a deep clean on my bedroom as the same day that I'm trying to deep clean my son's room or all the bathrooms. It's just easier for me to break it all down into different parts. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in my bedroom, and the first thing that I like to do when I'm cleaning my room all the time is to take off my sheets and go ahead and wash those and put a new set of sheets on. I feel like when your room is clean, you just really need that fresh set of sheets to get that clean room feeling.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm over.
So on this particular day, I was also doing laundry. I try to also spread the laundry out and do like one load a day, but I will be honest, I do have days where I miss days, and then I'll have a couple of days that I have missed and laundry will pile up. So whenever I'm washing my sheets, I do try to get caught up on laundry while they're washing and drying, and it's just easier for me to do. I love folding laundry actually because it's just kind of like a break for me. I usually turn on something on TV while I'm folding. I'll either watch some YouTube videos just for some motivation to help keep me going, or I may watch a movie or a show, something that me and my husband aren't watching together because we do like to binge a lot of shows together. So like doing laundry is my little me time to watch a show that he's just not that interested in.
Will you take me for granted, and will you knock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you knock me down?
new to my channel, I would like to just take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have two boys, Jackson, who is 6 years old, and this little one who you see following me all around in the video, that is my 1-year-old Lincoln. He stays home with me during the day, so in a lot of my videos, you'll probably see him peeping around every now and then. I do try and get most of my cleaning done during his nap time, but sometimes I may start working on things while he is awake. So he'll just kind of follow me around while I'm working, which is what he was doing on this day. Until I think towards the end of the video, he actually does go ahead and fall asleep. But let me know in the comment section who you are and where you're from. I love getting to know everyone. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all consider subscribing. Make sure you turn on your bell notification because I love posting cleaning content, but I also love doing decorating videos. And I'm so excited for the upcoming fall season. I'm excited to decorate and just the holidays. I'm really excited for Christmas. I'm excited for both. I was gonna say I'm more excited for Christmas, but I feel like I'm excited for both. So let me know in the comment section also, what are you guys more excited for decorating for? Is it for fall or for Christmas? Like, what is most fun for you to decorate? All done in my bedroom now. It is all clean. I have fresh sheets on and the laundry is all folded and put away. I love when my room looks like this. It makes me not want to go to bed at all when it looks like this, but it's just really so peaceful and light and airy. And now that I'm done in my bedroom, I am going to go ahead and move into my master bathroom area. It's connected to my bedroom, so I always feel like whenever I clean one, I have to go ahead and clean the other because they are so close. I feel like if I leave the bathroom messy, the clutter is just gonna spill over and slowly creep into my bedroom. And the same way with my bedroom. If I clean the bathroom, I feel like the clutter from my bedroom will eventually creep into the bathroom. Now my master bathroom area is very small, so I do have to stay on top of keeping this clean. Like, this is something that I have to work on every day because if it gets a little bit messy, it looks a lot messy all the time. So even just like changing my clothes in the morning, sometimes I'll leave my pajamas on the counter until I move them later, but it just looks like such a mess. No matter how little it may be, it looks like such a huge mess. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a deep clean and just make sure there was nothing left behind.
So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
One of the reasons that I love cleaning content on YouTube is because I actually do watch a lot of cleaning videos, and pulling off the toilet seat was something that I had never done before. I saw it on YouTube and I thought, like, that's ridiculous, unscrewing your toilet seat. And then I saw someone show that you can actually just easily pop it off. Now it's a part of my cleaning routine. Every time I give my bathroom a deep clean, I just pop it off and give it a really good clean underneath, like around those screws. And for me, I have boys, so if you have boys, you know the toilet is always a mess and there's always something left behind. So that just helps me ensure that I get the toilet really, really clean. So make sure you try that if you've never done it before.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top.
So I'm sure all of the moms have experienced this struggle before when you have your little ones at home with you, when you're trying to clean. I was trying to quickly finish mopping, but Lincoln is so interested in the mop bucket and the mop just in general. Every time I pull it out, he always wants to come around, and normally I would just wait until I could put him away to finish mopping, but this area is so small that I just was like, you know what, let me just quickly finish it and I can get rid of the mop. But you can see he kept like poking around trying to get in there. And now we are all done. My bathroom is clean, my bedroom is clean. I love the way my bathroom looks when it's clean. I like to keep the decor in here pretty simple, but I do have like a little bit of stuff going on. Like I said, it's really small, so it can easily look like a lot of mess. But I love the way it looks when it's clean. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.